Hello everyone. The suspended public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane said she didn't act with an ulterior or sinister motive when she launched investigation into President Cyril Ramaphosa's 2017 ANC presidential campaign. Testifying in her parliamentary impeachment inquiry on Tuesday, Mkhwebane also took a swipe at the judiciary, saying it did not understand how her office worked. Mkhwebane claimed professional jealousy on the part of judges because of the binding nature of her report recommendations. Busisiwe said she was surprised that Ramaphosa fought hard to keep the details of his CR17 campaign donors a secret. She said it leaves something hanging over the president's head because you have to be transparent about your dealings. It's about ethical leadership. She said the judiciary made adverse findings against her and now she was even facing possible impeachment purely for holding the executive accountable. She said, calling me a hired gun, others calling me a rogue public protector, all in the name of just doing my job. Mkhwebane said she still believed that Ramaphosa was answerable to Parliament about his presidential campaign donations when he was still the country's deputy president. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.